All right, let's just go across to Mumbai for our top story. For the first time, the 26/11 terrorist David Headley has told the court during his cross-examination the Lashkar-e-Taiba asked him to target Bal Sahib Thackeray. Tejas Mehta is following this story. He now joins me. Tejas, we know from Tawahur Rana's case that David Headley had recce the Shiv Sena headquarters, that his handlers had asked them to target Shiv Sena leadership. But is this really the first time that he's actually named the actual target here?
Absolutely. This is the first time that David Coleman Headley, who has now turned an approver for this court right behind me, and even on Holi, he is giving his testimony. The court is still working, and today he has said that the target was Bal Thackeray, who was the Sena chief then. Now, he also made it very clear that when he was wrecking all these places, he had been told by his LET handler, Lashkar-e-Taiba handler, Sajid Mir, that he should try and befriend people inside the Sena Bhavan, which is in the center of Mumbai in Dadar. And that's exactly what he did with one Mr. Rege. He got friendly with him, and then he visited Sena Bhavan on 2 occasions. He was asked by Wahab Khan, who is the defense lawyer for Abu Jindal, the Indian handler who was inside the Karachi control room in Pakistan, and he of course has been deported back to India from Saudi Arabia. He's one of the accused, he's the accused actually today against whom the trial is going on, and he's been cross-examined by his lawyer, and his lawyer asked him who was the target. At that point of time, David Headley revealed it was Bal Thackeray who was the target of his entire mission. He also said that prior to this, before 26/11, the Lashkar-e-Taiba had attempted once to kill Bal Thackeray, but that did not really, fructify. It didn't materialize because that person was arrested. But he says what he had learnt is that he escaped from police custody. What our sources in the Mumbai police have told us that was not the case. This person was arrested and he did not escape. But this is for the first time that David Headley has revealed who the real target was for his wrecking, and not just once but twice attempts were made to kill Bal Thackeray.